friends, welcome to Jharkhand GK series part 3. Today we will discuss language and literature of Jharkhand tribes. First question is, which tribal language of Jharkhand was recently included in 8th schedule of Indian Constitution? Demand is still pending. Options are A. Mundari, B. Kuruk, C. Ho, and D. Kharia. Answer is C. Ho. Question number 2. Vidu Chandan is a famous folk tale of which tribe in Jharkhand? Options are A. Santhal, B. Munda, C. Ho, and D. Oraon. Answer is A. Santhal. Question number 3. Who is considered a major contributor to Santhali literature and also won the Sahitya Academy Award? Options are A. Kali Charan, B. Lako Bodra, C. K.C. Tudu, and D. Bhagwat Sahu. Answer is Kali Charan Hembran. Question number 4. What is the name of tribal script developed by Pandit Raghunath Murmu for Santhali language? Options are Ol Chiki, B. Warang City, C. Devanagari, and D. Ho Lipi. Answer is A. Ol Chiki. Question. The Ho tribe uses which script for their literature? A. Warang City, B. Ol Chiki, C. Devanagari, D. Kathi. Answer is A. Warang City. Question number 6. Who created Warang City script for Ho language? Options are A. Pandit Raghunath Murmu, B. Loko Bodra, C. Bhogla Soren, and D. Ram Dayal Munda. Answer is options B. Lako Bodra. 7. Which language spoken in Jharkhand was added to the list of languages in National Education Policy NEP promotion list? Options are A. Nagpuri, B. Kuruk, C. Khotha, D. Mundari. Answer is D. Mundari. Who was the first tribal from Jharkhand to become Vice Chancellor of Central University and promote tribal literature? A. Options are A. Ram Dayal Munda, C. Kali Charan Hembram, D. Jaipal Singh Munda. Answer is A. Ram Dayal Munda. Question number 9. Which tribal festival is rich in oral literature and folk songs of the Munda community? Options are A. Sohrai, B. Sarhul, C. Karma, D. Jitiya. Answer is B. Sarhul. 10. Which tribal language in Jharkhand is recognized as classical tribal language in UNESCO's endangered language list? A. Santhali, B. Kuruk, C. Kharia, D. Birhor. Answer is 11. Which folk dance of the Oraon tribe is performed with narrative songs that reflect tribal literature? A. Jadur, B. Chhau, C. Karma, D. Paika. Answer is C. Karma. Question number 12. Dise, a popular song form in Jharkhand, belongs to which tribe? A. Ho, B. Munda, C. Santhal, D. Oraon. Answer is C. Santhal. 13. Jharkhand Tribal Research Institute is located in which city? Ranchi, B. Dumka, C. Chaibasa, D. Dhanbad. Answer is A. Ranchi. Which tribal writer from Jharkhand translated tribal stories into Hindi to promote tribal literature? A. Bhagwat Sahu, B. B.P. Kachhap, C. Mahua Manji, D. Ravi Oraon. Answer is B.P. Kachhap. 15. Which radio initiative is being used to promote tribal language in Jharkhand? Radio Dhwani, B. Akashwani Tribal Wani, C. All India Radio Santhali Band, D. Adivasi Radio. Answer is D. Adivasi Radio. Thank you.